Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Oh my bleepity bleep bleep. You won't believe what I had to go through to get this. You guys, I know you want the new Makita video, but that had to be interrupted because I had something much better today. Look what I got my grubby little mitts on. Boom. Read that bad boy. The new DEWALT ATOMIC IMPACT DRIVER. Long story. Got my mitts on. We're going to unbox this bad boy. We're going to take a look at it here. This isn't scheduled to be released until the end of May. I got my dirty dick beaters on it. I also would have had the drill, but they're trying to tell me the drill with two little 1.3 amp hour batteries is $170. No way. So I was like, give me the impact. That's all I wanted. All right, let's crack this bad boy open. Let you guys get a close up to read that real quick. The new DEWALT ATOMIC IMPACT DRIVER. Let's see what it says here. 21% more better. 21% more torque. I'm going to take it out, check the stats, check the specs, weigh it. We'll talk about it real quick here. Oh my god, it comes with a bag. Holy Hannah, look at that. Ooh, new tool. Wow, I think this is like the world's smallest tool bag. Look at that. Look at that. The world's cheapest charger. Paper. Okay, the guy was arguing with me at the store. He's like, no, it's a 2.0, man. It's got fuel gauges on it. It's got fuel gauges on it. I was trying to explain to him that I was just watching a video about it. Look at that. No fuel gauge. And it is a 1.5 amp hour no fuel gauge. The guy was like, oh, it's a 2.0. Yeah, there's a fuel gauge on it. It's a little light in the back. Oh my god. It's so hard to find good help these days. Alright, so we got that. Oop. Got the clip. Smell that Chinesium built right into it. Are you kidding me? Is this even the right thing? Brushless motor. Impact. Yeah, this is it. So, okay, that's all that comes in the bag. Alright, so the thing with this impact is they say that it's supposed to be more like a 12 volt tool. Okay? Got a 12 volt tool right here. It is slightly smaller than the Milwaukee 12 volt Gen 2. But it's the same size as their other impact drivers. And there's no speed selector, there's no speed control on this. The battery seems tiny. Let's see what the box says. Alright, so it says it has 21% more torque, but 21% more torque than what? Are they talking about the DC, the one that caught on fire, the 889 or 909, whatever it's called? So it has 2,800 RPMs, right? Max torque is 1,700 inch-pounds. Impacts per minute, IPMs is 3,200. I don't know. And it comes with one chintzy-ass battery. So it's essentially just like their other model that they just pretty much repackaged, I think. It doesn't even say Atomic on the tool. It just says 20 volt brushless. And it's not the XR either. Weird. So anyways, you wouldn't believe how many guys' asses I had to whoop today to get this stupid thing. Wasted my whole day getting this thing for you guys when I could have been doing my impactor, when I could have been doing my impact showdown. So originally I was just going to do the Makita against whatever you guys picked, but I decided just to do an Impact Showdown Extravaganza. So we're going to do Ryobi, Makita, new Atomic, Milwaukee Fuel Gen 3, Makita Subcompact, and just for shits and giggles we'll do the 12. Because this thing is just as powerful as the Makita Subcompact. Alright, that's another thing I want to talk about. So this is supposed to keep up with the Makita Subcompact. Let's bust out the old Scale-Ola and see exactly how much this thing weighs. So I heard some rumors that this thing's over 2 pounds. Yeah, 2.2 pounds. So it'll stand up. 2.2. The Subcompact is like 1.8. Yeah. Alright, got my battery. So this is just my 2.0 battery. Now listen to the difference of this compared to this cheap ass battery it comes with. Listen. You can dramatically hear the difference. Listen. That's full chooch. Hear the tone, how it's higher. Let's try the 6. 6 is the same as a 2. See? What I don't get, if this is supposed to be entry level for professional tradesmen, why do they give you the cheapest batteries and it's still not that cheap? It's $20 less than one model and $30 less than the other model. What's so great about that? And that's just a promo price. Normally, it's going to be, I think, 100. Was it 120? No, it was $159 with the battery. But when the sale comes out, it's going to be $99 for this. Oh my God! I guess it's okay, but we're going to put this thing through its paces. I mean, we're going to drill the crap out of some screws with it. We're going to frickin' do the paddle bit test on it. We're going to do everything. See if this is going to overheat and smoke like its predecessor. So, all you DeWalt fans out there never say, "Al, you never do any DeWalt stuff." There you go. Brand new DeWalt Atomic Impact Driver. You saw it here, second or third. I know VCG had it 3 weeks ago, but they ship it to him. I had to get my mitts on this myself. DeWalt, if you're watching, come on, send me some stuff and prove me wrong how good your stuff is. Okay? Let me check it out. I'll give you an honest review about it. So back to the drill. I had my mitts on the drill. I was checking it out. So $170 for the drill and 2 of these jank batteries, right? But here's the thing with the drill. It's got a plastic chuck, right? And it's not a hammer drill. It's just a standard drill driver, 2 crappy batteries, in the world's smallest little bag. $170. Are you freaking kidding me? How is that entry level? I mean, honestly, I'd rather take this for the money. Actually, $170. That's just a smidge right around what the new Makita costs. You know, and this thing is freaking kick ass. Alright, enough talking. You guys are probably like, come on, do something with it. I want to see how it works. Alright, let's go over here to my 6x6 and we'll sink a couple bolts real quick. Here's one of the tests we're going to be doing, the new upcoming Impact Driver Shootout. These are 5-inch Timberlock deck screws into a 6x6 cedar post. So we'll just sink a couple of these bad boys and see how it does. Okay, ready? Here we go. About 11 seconds. Let's compare to that to the Subcompact. Alright, here we go. Makita. Full bars. The new Atomic. Full bars. On your marks. Get set, go. Makita seemed to be a hair faster, but it could be a fluke. We're gonna go through these tests in depth coming up this weekend, so stick around. You saw it here, second or third, making stuff and breaking stuff with Al. We got the new ATOMIC IMPACT driver. It's gonna be going head to head against the subcompact, the new Makita, the Gen 3 Milwaukee, and the Ryobi brushless. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Stick around for this weekend when we do the Impact Driver Shootout Extravaganza. We got the new DeWalt ATOMIC. We got the new Makita Black. We got the Gen 3. We got the Gen 3 Milwaukee. We have the Milwaukee Gen 2, 12 volt Ryobi subcompact. We're gonna put them all head to head. See who comes out king, top of the pack. Stick around. You won't be disappointed. Thank you guys for your time. I appreciate everybody. See ya.